First things first, packing. Here's how to fit everything you need without overstuffing your bag. Tip number 1. Use the rolling method for clothes. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Tip number 2. Pack versatile outfits. Stick to neutral colors that mix and match easily. Tip number 3. Place heavy items at the bottom of your suitcase to balance the weight. Tip number 4. Use packing cubes to stay organized and separate different items. Tip number 5. Don't forget a small emergency kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any medications. Now, let's talk about getting through airports smoothly and making your flight more comfortable. Tip number 6. Check in online 24 hours before your flight to skip long airport lines. Tip number 7. Keep your travel documents, passport, visa, boarding pass, in an easily accessible pouch. Tip number 8. Bring an empty water bottle. You can fill it after passing security and save on expensive airport drinks. Tip number 9. Dress in layers. Planes can be freezing or too warm, so wearing layers keeps you comfortable. Tip number 10. Download your airline's app for real-time updates on flight status and gate changes. Managing your money and keeping your valuables safe is crucial when traveling. Here's how. Tip number 11. Use a money belt or neck pouch to store important documents and cash. Tip number 12. Always have some local currency, and cash credit cards aren't accepted everywhere. Tip number 13. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid card blocks. Tip number 14. Use hotel safes for passports and valuables, or lock your luggage when you're out. Tip number 15. Take pictures of important documents in case you lose them. Once you arrive at your destination, these hacks will make exploring easier. Tip number 16. Download offline maps on Google Maps in case you lose internet access. Tip number 17. Learn a few basic phrases if you're traveling to a non-English speaking country. Tip number 18. Use public transportation. It's cheaper and gives you a real feel of the place. Tip number 19. Check local restaurant reviews instead of relying on touristy spots for better and more authentic food. Tip number 20. If you're using ride-sharing apps, double-check the car's license plate before getting in. And there you have it, 20 essential travel hacks to make your first trip stress-free and fun. Which tip did you find the most useful? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more travel tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.